Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen in Battlefield 2042. Right, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you can do here, you can basically verify integrity of the game files. Simple as that. You just need to right click on the game, properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of the game files. So if you have some corrupted files, it will be fixed, and then the game should work. But if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can simply disable overlays on your Steam and on other apps. So go to properties, general, disable Steam overlay. It sometimes can cause a problem, and also you can disable Discord overlay or if using NVIDIA GeForce Experience, and then you need to look if the problem basically persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to basically system or settings, not system, and then you need to go to gaming, make sure that Xbox game bar is off, and then captures also record what happened is off as well, and game mode is on, right? And after that, if you try these basically steps and the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to graphic settings, and then you need to scroll down until you see Battlefield. Just click on it, go to options, and select high performance here, and then press apply, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is you need to go to the Steam again. Then you need to right click on the game, go to properties, then you need to go to installed files, browse, and here it should be something like this. And then you should find your Battlefield exe file here, and you just need to right click on it, go to properties, and to go to properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, run this program as administrator, and disable full screen optimizations, right? And after that, after you done this, again, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to make sure that your operating system is fully updated as well as your GPU. And to do so, you just need to go to check for updates, and then you just need to check for updates, and if there is update on your operating system, you need to download and install it, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU. You need to go to device manager, then you need to go to network adapter, not network adapters, display adapters, choose your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers, right? And is still, if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here on Steam, you need to go on Steam logo on the left side, then go to settings, then go to downloads, and then what you need to do here is to clear your download cache. But keep in mind that after you press the button, you will be logged out from your account, so you need to re-log in again. And last thing that you can do here, you need to basically allow Battlefield through your Windows Defender firewall. And to do so, you just need to open up Windows Defender firewall, and then you just need to press allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, then change settings, and then you need to just click on one of the tasks here and press B. And here it should be somewhere Battlefield, and if there is no things related to it, you need to press allow another app, and then you need to press browse, and then you need to, probably your game will be on Steam, so you need to go to your local disk C, program files x86, Steam, and then Steam apps, and then common, and here should be your game, and then you just need to add this exe file here and press add, and your file should be here. And another thing that you can do here, you can basically go to virus and threat protection, and then you need to go to manage threat protection, go to exclusions and press on add and remove exclusion here, and here you need to press on add exclusion folder, and then you need to basically go to local disk C, program files x86, Steam apps, common, and then you need to just add a whole Battlefield folder here, right? And that should fix your problem. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.